Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Now the next topic is similar triangles. Look at the diagram here. Triangle ABC and triangle PQR. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, if angle A is congruent to angle P, both are same. Angle B is congruent to angle Q, B and Q. Angle C is congruent to angle R. And AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. Then triangle ABC and triangle PQR are similar triangles. That is, triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. इसे ऐसे लिखा जाता है. ध्यान दीजिए, ये दो ट्रायंगल हैं. लेट अस कंसीडर ट्रायंगल्स ABC एंड PQR. दीज टू, ये दोनों एंगल सेम है, ये एंगल भी सेम है और इसका तीसरा एंगल भी इक्वल है. और पहले ट्रायंगल और दूसरे ट्रायंगल के करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स का रेशियो भी इक्वल है. तो हम कहेंगे कि ये दो ट्रायंगल सिमिलर ट्रायंगल्स हैं. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज टेस्ट ऑफ सिमिलरिटी ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स. फॉर सिमिलरिटी ऑफ टू ट्रायंगल्स, द नेसेसरी conditions are that their corresponding sides are in same proportion and their corresponding angles are congruent. Out of these conditions, when three specific conditions are fulfilled, the remaining conditions are automatically fulfilled. This means for similarity of two triangles, only three specific conditions are sufficient. The groups of such sufficient conditions are called test of similarity. So there are three tests for similarity of triangles. तीन टेस्ट होता है. A test of similarity means angle angle angle, और A test of similarity. Next, SAS test of similarity, side angle side. SSS test of similarity, side side side. Now the first test is A test. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, in the correspondence ABC, correspondence PQR, if angle A is congruent to angle P, angle B is congruent to angle Q, and angle C is congruent to angle R, then triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. It is called AA test. Three angles are congruent here. Now next, AA test. When two angles of one triangle are congruent to two corresponding angles of another triangle, then this condition is sufficient for similarity of two triangles. This condition is called AA test of similarity. ये दो ट्रायंगल दिया हुआ है. अगर ये दो ट्रायंगल्स में कोई भी दो एंगल्स को अगर हम कॉन्ग्रुएंट बता देते हैं तो तीसरा एंगल खुद ब खुद कॉन्ग्रुएंट हो जाता है, क्योंकि sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180. Now in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, ABC correspondence PQR, if angle A is congruent to angle P, angle B is congruent to angle Q, then triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by AA test. Only two angles are congruent here. Next is SAS test. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, in the correspondence ABC correspondence PQR, if angle B it is congruent to angle Q and ratio of the corresponding sides are same, means AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. Then by SAS test, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Next test is SSS test. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, ABC and PQR, in the correspondence ABC, correspondence PQR, if AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR, then by SS test, triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Now here, their corresponding sides are in same ratio. Therefore, by SSS test, these two triangles are similar. Now let us see how to solve practice set 1.3. First question is, in figure angle ABC is equal to 75 degree. Look at here, ABC. Angle is 75 degree. Angle EDC is equal to 75. Now look at here, angle EDC, it is also 75 degree. State which two triangles are similar and by which test. Also write the similarity of these two triangles by a proper 1-to-1 correspondence. Now look at here, if we take टू ट्रायंगल्स ए बी सी, यहाँ हम दो ट्रायंगल लेंगे, एक ए बी सी और दूसरा ट्रायंगल हम लेंगे डी ई सी. इन ट्रायंगल डी सी ई एंड ट्रायंगल बी सी ए. नाउ एंगल ए बी सी is congruent to angle EDC. Each measures 75. It is given 75 degree. Now look at the diagram here. In both the triangles, angle C is common, ABC, and in triangle DEC. Therefore, write down here, angle ACB is congruent to angle ECD. Write down here, common angle. Therefore, triangle BCA is similar to triangle DCE. Both triangles are similar by AA test of similarity. Therefore, triangle BCA and triangle DCE are similar triangle by AA test of similarity. Next question is, are the triangles in figure similar? If yes, by which test? Now look at the diagram here. Length of the sides of two triangles are given here. Therefore, इन दोनों ट्रायंगल्स के अगर करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स का रेशो हम सेम बता देते हैं तो हम कह सकते हैं कि ये दोनों ट्रायंगल्स SSS टेस्ट से सिमिलर है. Therefore, first find out the ratio of corresponding sides PQ upon LM. Substituting the values, we get here 6 upon 3. Now solve it. 6 3 ones are 3 2s are. Now we get here 2 upon 1. Give it equation number 1. And second ratio is QR upon MN. Now substituting the values, we get 8 upon 4. 4 ones are 4 twos are. We get here 2 of, give it equation number 2. And third side is PR upon LN. PR upon LN. Substituting the values, 10 upon 5. 5 ones are 5 twos are. 2 upon 1. Give it equation number 3. Now from equation 1, 2 and 3, PQ upon LM is equal to QR upon MN is equal to PR upon LN. हर एक की वैल्यू हमें यहाँ 2 upon 1 हासिल हुई है, इसलिए हम लिखेंगे therefore write down here PQ upon LM is equal to QR upon MN is equal to PR upon LN from equation 1, 2 and 3. Therefore, by SSS test of similarity, triangle PQR is similar to triangle LMN. SSS test of similarity. Now look at here. Third question, as shown in figure, two poles of height 8 meter and 4 meter are perpendicular to the ground, means it is of 90 degree. If the length of shadow of smaller pole due to sunlight is 6 meter, it is the shadow of smaller pole, then how long will be the shadow of the bigger pole at the same time? Now write down the solution here. The shadow of pole PR is 6 meter. The shadow of pole PR is QR and QR is given here. QR is equal to 6 meter. Now it is perpendicular to the ground, therefore angle is 90 degree. Write down here angle PRQ is equal to 90 degree and the shadow of pole AC is BC and BC is given here X meter. It is also perpendicular to the ground, means angle ACB is equal to 90 degree. Therefore angle ACB is equal to 90 degree and shadows are cast at the same time and the shadows are cast at the same time. Therefore, now look at the diagram here. This one and this one, both the angles are equal here. क्योंकि इनका शेडो एक ही वक्त में पड़ रहा है, इसलिए ये दोनों एंगल्स सेम हो गए. इसलिए हम लिखेंगे एंगल QPR is congruent to angle BAC. Now, in triangle PRQ and triangle ACB, write down here angle PRQ is congruent to angle ACB. Each measures 90 degree and angle QPR is congruent to angle BAC. Now give it equation number 1. Write down here from equation 1. Therefore, by a test of similarity, both triangles are similar here. Therefore, write down here PRQ is similar to triangle ACB by a test of similarity. Therefore, their corresponding sides are in proportion. Therefore, write down here. ध्यान दीजिए, करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स हम कैसे लिखेंगे? PR अपॉन AC इज इक्वल टू RQ अपॉन CB इज इक्वल टू PQ अपॉन AB write down here corresponding sides of similar triangles. Now substituting all the values here. Now look at the diagram here. Our aim is to find the value of x, means length of BC. Therefore, in the ratio PR means 4 upon AC 8 is equal to RQ 6 upon BC means x. तीनों जो रेशो हमने लिखा है यहाँ से, ये तीसरे रेशो की हमें ज़रूरत नहीं है, इसे हम इसे कैंसिल कर देंगे. नाउ सॉल्व इट. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई हियर 4 इंटू एक्स 6 इंटू 8. 4 into x equal to 6 into 8. Now dividing by 4 we get x is equal to 6 into 8 upon 4. Solve it. 4 ones are 4 twos are. Therefore x is equal to 6 into 2. X is equal to 12. Now it is the value of BC. Therefore BC is equal to, length of BC is equal to 12 meter. Write down the answer here. The length of the shadow of the bigger pole that is AC, bigger pole is AC here, is 12 meter. Now next question is, in triangle ABC, AP is perpendicular BC. AP it is perpendicular BC. BQ is perpendicular AC. BQ is perpendicular AC. BPC, BPC and AQC, AQ and C. Then prove that triangle CPA similar to triangle CQB. Triangle CPA. Now look at here, CPA. It is the triangle. and second triangle is CQB. Look at here, CQB. It is of second triangle. Now the values are given here. AP is equal to 7. The values of AP is 7. BQ is equal to 8. BQ की वैल्यू दी गई है यहाँ पर 8. BC is equal to 12. ये जो BC है इसकी वैल्यू दी गई है 12. फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ AC. हमें AC की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है. तो पहले हमें ये दो ट्रायंगल को सिमिलर बता देंगे. ये दोनों ट्रायंगल को सिमिलर बताने के बाद में इसका करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स का जो रेशो है वो इक्वल हो जाएगा. तो हम ये AC फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. ध्यान दीजिए, राइट डाउन हियर. इन ट्रायंगल CPA and triangle CQB. Look at the diagram here. Both angles are 90 degree. Write down here. Therefore, CPA is congruent to angle CQB. Reason is each measures 90 degree. Now look at both the triangles carefully. दोनों triangles को ध्यान से देखिए. यहाँ हमें जो ये एंगल C होगा ये दोनों ट्रायंगल में कॉमन है. एंगल APC में भी ये दिखाई दे रहा है हमें और एंगल BQC में भी ये दिखाई दे रहा है. तो हम लिख सकते हैं इस देयरफॉर एंगल ACP is congruent to angle BCQ. Common angles. Therefore, triangle CPA is similar to triangle CQB. A test of similarity. दोनों ट्रायंगल को सिमिलर बताने के बाद में हम इसका करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स का जो रेशियो है वो इक्वल बता सकते हैं. इसलिए हम लिखेंगे फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड मीन्स CP अपॉन हियर ऑल्सो फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड CQ इज इक्वल टू सेकेंड थर्ड मीन्स PA अपॉन सेकेंड थर्ड QB is equal to first and third means CA upon first and third means CB. Write down here corresponding sides of similar triangles. Now substituting all the values here. इस क्वेश्चंस में AP, BQ, BC दिया गया है और AC फाइंड आउट करना है. इसलिए हमें पहले रेशियो की जरूरत नहीं है, इसे हम कैंसिल कर देंगे. तमाम. Now substituting the values here. PA write down here 7 upon 8 is equal to AC upon 12. Now cross multiply here. AC into 8 is equal to 7 into 12. Therefore, dividing both sides by 8, we get AC is equal to 7 into 12 upon 8. Cancel it. 4 2s are 4, 3s are 12. Now AC is equal to 7 into 3 upon 2. We get AC is equal to 21 upon 2. Therefore, AC is equal to 10.5. Write down here. Answer is AC is equal to 10.5. Next question is in trapezium PQRS side PQ is parallel to side SR. PQ it is parallel to side SR. AR is equal to 5 into AP and AS is equal to 5 into AQ. It is given. Then prove that SR is equal to 5PQ. Now write down here. जो दिया गया है वो हम लिख लेंगे. Write down solution here. In trapezium, PQRS, side PQ is parallel to side SR. It is given. And AR is equal to 5 into AP. Now from this, therefore, dividing by AP, we get AR upon AP is equal to 5 upon 1. Give it equation number 1. And second equation is given here. AS is equal to 5 into AQ. Now dividing by AQ, we get AS upon AQ is equal to 5 upon 1. Give it equation number 2. Now look at here. From equation 1 and 2, right hand side is equal. Therefore left hand side is also equal. Therefore write down here. Therefore AR upon AP is equal to AS upon AQ. Give it equation number 3. Reason is from equation 1 and equation 2. Now look at the diagram. ARAP, we get here AR ratio, and second one is AP. It is equal to AS upon AQ. Now second one is AS and here AQ. Now our aim is to prove that SR is equal to 5PQ. Means this one and this one. Therefore take these two triangles. ये दोनों ट्रायंगल्स को अगर हम सिमिलर बता देंगे तो यहाँ का करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स हम रेशो में लिख सकते हैं. तो therefore write down here, in triangle PAQ and triangle RAS, AR upon AP is equal to AS upon AQ from equation 3. Now look at the figure. ये दोनों ट्रायंगल में ये जो रेशो दिया गया है ये इक्वल है. इसमें हम ये जो एंगल है ये दोनों को इक्वल बता सकते हैं. ये दोनों एंगल्स है वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल्स. therefore write down here from equation 3, write down AR upon AP is equal to AS upon AQ. therefore look at the figure here. Vertically opposite angles. Write down here. Angle RAS is congruent to angle PAQ. Write down inside the bracket vertically opposite angles. Therefore, triangle RAS similar to triangle PAQ by SAS test of similarity. Therefore, write down here corresponding sides RA upon PA is equal to AS upon AQ is equal to RS upon PQ. Corresponding sides of similar triangle. Now substituting the values here. RA upon PA. Now from equation 1, AR upon AP is equal to 5 upon 1. Write down here 5 upon 1 is the value of AS upon AQ from equation 2, 5 upon 1. Write down here 5 upon 1 is equal to RS upon PQ. Therefore, we can write here RS upon PQ is equal to 5 upon 1. Cross multiply here. RS is equal to 5 into PQ. इस तरीके से हमने ये प्रूव किया है कि SR, therefore SR is equal to 5 into PQ. Now the next question is in trapezium ABCD, side AB parallel to side DC. Both are parallel. Diagonals AC and BD intersect in point O. Diagonal AC and BD intersect at point O. If AB is equal to 20, DC is equal to 6, OB is equal to 15. Write down here. AB is 20, DC 6, OB means this one 15. Find OD means our aim is to find this one. Now write down the solution here. Solution in trapezium ABCD, side AB is parallel to side DC. Look at the diagram here. These two are parallel. If we take BD is transversal line, then we get here angles in the form of Z, means these two angles, alternate angles are equal, and line BD is the transversal line. Therefore, angle CDB is congruent to angle ABD. Alternate CDB, it can be written as CDO. CDO is congruent to angle. Now ABD, ABD, it can be written as ABO. Give it equation number 1. ध्यान दीजिए, CD, AB और OB दिया हुआ है, OD मालूम करना है, यानी हमें लेना होगा यहाँ पे ऊपर का एक ट्रायंगल और एक नीचे का ट्रायंगल. ये दोनों ट्रायंगल को हमें पहले सिमिलर बताना होगा, तो हम OD की वैल्यू मालूम कर सकते हैं. तो इसे सिमिलर बताने के लिए अल्टरनेट एंगल को हमने कॉन्ग्रुएंट बताया है. दूसरा एंगल हम यहाँ ले सकते हैं वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल्स. देयरफॉर राइट डाउन हियर इन ट्रायंगल, पहले ये दो मुसल्लस को हमें सिमिलर बताना है, तो हम लिखेंगे इन ट्रायंगल COD एंड ट्रायंगल AOB. Angle CDO is congruent to angle ABO. ये हमने प्रूव किया है in equation number 1. Write down here from equation number 1. And next angle is COD. COD, it is congruent to angle AOB. It is vertically opposite angles. Write down here. नौ ये दोनों ट्रायंगल में हमने दो एंगल्स को कॉन्ग्रुएंट बता दिया, इसलिए देयरफॉर ट्रायंगल COD इज सिमिलर ट्रायंगल AOB बाय AA टेस्ट ऑफ सिमिलरिटी। Now, corresponding sides of similar triangles are in proportion. Therefore, write down here. First second means CO upon first second means AO. It is equal to second third OD upon second third OB is equal to first third CD upon first third means AB. Now, substituting all the values here, CO एंड AO ये रेशियो को कैंसिल कर देते हैं। नाउ OD, आवर एम इज टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ OD अपॉन OB इज गिवन 15 इज इक्वल टू CD 6 अपॉन 20। नाउ क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई हियर, वी गेट OD इंटू 20 इज इक्वल टू 6 इंटू 15। नाउ dividing both the sides by 20 we get OD is equal to 6 into 15 upon 20 solid 5 3s are 15 5 4s are 20 2 2s are 4 2 3s are 6। now we get here 3 into 3 upon 2 means 9 upon 2। therefore OD is equal to 2 4s are 8.1 and 0 10 2 5s are 10। therefore write down the answer here, the value of OD is equal to 4.5। now next question is quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram, point E is on side BC, line DE intersects ray AB in point T, prove that DE into BE is equal to CE into TE। now look at the diagram here, quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram। now we know that opposite sides of a parallelogram are parallel, means parallel to this one and this one it is also parallel to this side। line DE intersects ray AB, DE it intersects ray AB in at point T, prove that DE into BE। now look at here, DE means this one and into BE this side and CE this one and TE। ध्यान दीजिए, हमें ये दोनों को इक्वल बताना है, तो ये ट्रायंगल और ये ट्रायंगल, ये दोनों ट्रायंगल को हमें सिमिलर बताना होगा। इस बिना पे हम ये प्रूव कर सकते हैं। अब ध्यान दीजिए, ये दो ट्रायंगल को सिमिलर बताने के लिए एक तो हमें यहाँ पर वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल मिल जाएगा, एक एंगल, ये दोनों इक्वल है दोनों ट्रायंगल्स में। ध्यान दीजिए, साइड AB और CD दोनों एक दूसरे के पैरेलल है। अगर हम यहाँ TD इसे ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन लेते हैं तो हमें यहाँ ये Z के फॉर्म में एंगल्स मिलेगा, और हम जानते हैं कि ये जो एंगल्स होता है ये एंगल्स कहलाता है अल्टरनेट एंगल्स। तो ये दो ट्रायंगल्स में हमने दो एंगल्स को कॉन्ग्रुएंट बता दिया, तो हम ये दोनों ट्रायंगल्स को सिमिलर बता सकते हैं। तो हम इसे लिख लेते हैं, ABCD इज अ पैरेललोग्राम। therefore अपोजिट साइड्स हम यहाँ ले रहे हैं AB और CD। सेगमेंट AB इज पैरेलल टू सेगमेंट CD, opposite sides। parallelogram and line TD is transversal. Therefore, angle ATD is congruent to CDT. Angle CDT, और इट कैन बी रिटन एज एंगल. हमें ये एंगल की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी ये दो ट्रायंगल्स के लिए, तो हम इसे ATD ना लिखते हुए BTE लिख सकते हैं. एंगल हमारा T पर ही बन रहा है. BTE इट इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू एंगल CDT. यहाँ एंगल D पर बन रहा है तो इसे हम लिख सकते हैं CDE. इसे हम दे देंगे इक्वेशन नंबर 1. इन ट्रायंगल BET एंड ट्रायंगल CED, angle BTE is congruent to angle CDE from equation 1. Write down here. And second, vertically opposite angles BET, it is congruent to angle CED. Write down vertically opposite angle. Therefore, triangle BET is similar to triangle CED. A test of similarity. Now, corresponding sides of similar triangles are in proportion. Therefore, write down here BE upon CE is equal to ET upon ED is equal to BT upon CD. Now, DE, BE, CE and ET, यानी यहाँ हमें ये जो थर्ड रेशो है इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं है. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करने पर हमें यहाँ पर हासिल हो जाएगा DE इंटू BE इज इक्वल टू CE इंटू TE. ये हमने प्रूव किया है. ध्यान दीजिए. In the figure, segment AC and segment BD intersect each other in point P. Segment AC and BD intersect at point P and AP upon CP. Now look at here. AP upon CP and second BP upon DP. ये दोनों का रेशो इक्वल दिया गया है. प्रूव दैट ट्राइंगल ABP मीन्स दिस वन ABP इट इज सिमिलर टू CDP. यहाँ ये दो करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड का रेशो प्रोपोर्शन में है. यहाँ से हम इसका ये एंगल को इक्वल बता सकते हैं. therefore write down the solution here. In triangle ABP and triangle CDP, AP upon CP is equal to BP upon DP. It is given. Now vertically opposite angles, write down here. Angle APB is congruent to angle CPD. Vertically opposite angles. Therefore, triangle ABP is similar to triangle CDP by SAS test of similarity. हमें यहाँ पर ये दोनों एंगल को सिमिलर प्रूव करना था. नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज in the figure in triangle ABC, point D on side BC is such that angle BAC it is equal to angle ADC. Both angle are equal. Prove that CA square means this one, CA, CB means this one, and CD. Now write down the solution here. In triangle BAC and triangle ADC, angle BAC is congruent to angle ADC. It is given, and look at the diagram. In triangle BAC and triangle ADC, C is common here, therefore write down angle ACB is congruent to angle DCA. Common angle. Therefore, triangle BAC is similar to triangle ADC. BAC similar to ADC by AA test of similarity. Therefore, corresponding sides of similar triangles are in proportion. Write down here. BA upon AD is equal to AC upon DC is equal to BC upon AC. Now our aim is to prove that CA square is equal to CB into CD. Now here CB, CD and A square. तो यहाँ हमें फर्स्ट रेशो की ज़रूरत नहीं है, उसे हम कैंसिल कर देंगे. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए, हमें हासिल हो जाएगा AC ज़रब AC बराबर BC ज़रब DC. AC ज़रब AC मीन्स AC स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू BC और AC स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू CB. तो BC को हम CB लिख सकते हैं, CB इंटू CD. इस तरह से हमने इसे प्रूव किया. अल्लाह हाफिज़.